I don't think actually the film is fair up. I mean, it's fine. I think it's like they do pair up in a kind of simple way. I think. Korea's film turns out actually to be about the morning, about work, etc., and about daytime shooting. And really, for you, for the most part, it seems to be about night shooting and leisure time. So the film, to a large extent, gets structured around what is not work. And you and I actually did have a discussion about work and leisure earlier in Austin. So I kind of think of this film as precisely something that Rohan suggested. I think it's in those crevices of those buildings, right, that these performances take place. They don't actually take place. They take off hours, off time, off space, off the grid. I mean, with no electricity, etc. So there's that. So having said that, I think I was actually drawn to the same things that Santosh was drawn to, and there's only one. It was about the sound being fizzled out, if that's one way of thinking about the sound design, when you've got the road leveler going through. And I'm not really sure what it did, but it was actually this amazing moment of respite from the noise and the way in which one had to pay attention to the soundtrack. And it felt like as if the images were slowed down ever so slightly. Because the women walking seemed to be of an off speed. So there was that. And the other was, of course, the crane operator, which is amazing. It's that moment, right? It's contingency is what I think you were saying, that you chanced upon it. They started. The third one was the rubble, when the guys are all hanging out, and our child performer, I think, is in the background, and he kind of child, right? Pubescent, adolescent, male child, sort of walking through the rubble. So there was none of those moments actually added up to the performance story. I mean, in the sense you began by talking about the interruption, and I was wondering if there was a way of talking about this, because these were moments which were about sound design, not about the performer, and one was about the operator, and the other was really about, coming back to Rohan's point, about the rubble of the city, right? That was that which was raised. I mean, and that is the work. I mean, these guys, that is the work. It's not about building. It's about sort of literally, it's about to fit the city that doesn't function but seems to function in the after hours in some sense. So I was wondering, now coming back to this, it's really about the way in which one can move from the reverse, not from image to sound, which I think Charles Correa film does, but from sound to image, and if there's a way in which you could actually tell us how the question of style worked in this film. Because I take your point, the film it's not about performance, it's not about, you don't see anything, they don't come together, it's not a film about performance, but there's something about the notion of the rehearsal which is at play over here, and I was wondering if you could actually talk about that.
To come to these three shots, it took us forever to figure how to, of course, it plays a role in a certain respite and being able to think about what's going on, because otherwise everything is so breathless.